Alright, here we go. So this video is probably going to be a little quicker than they have been as everything's already set up. So start on the trend time frame here. I'll know if, and we'll get to the pound franc that actually poked through the daily demand zone. So we'll get to that and kind of go over what that'll look like as far as setting up opportunities. But here we go. This candle is at closed at 1.1084. and that's higher than 1.1083. So this gets a green box because we have a close above, or we have a close outside of the range, and then same with this one, this gets a red box. And then we got to wait for this candle to close in 20 minutes to see if I can make another green box. This will get a little weird because it's the same candle making the new high, but this could open up some good buy opportunities. We just take a look at the hour chart. This might be a decent zone to look at, and same with this one. This is kind of pointing down to this, but I'm probably going to take both of these, this one and this one, depending on what the profit margin is on this. Actually, this one looks like I might not be able to take it because of this right here. It's closed below this. That would have to be the profit area, and I don't think that's going to be 2 to 1. But in about 20 minutes, we'll check it out. So let's go to the pound. All right, same kind of pattern here. So we got our red box there. This will be a green box. And like I probably said yesterday, I'm not going to take this opportunity. It just, like, there's no shorts available for me anymore because it came into the daily demand zone here. So the Aussie, just continuing to do what the Aussie does. Take a look here. I think yesterday we determined 7.3 and 4, so that's not 50%. So we can't take it. Well, I can't take it. Those are my rules. So go back to the 240 here. New Zealand, same, pretty similar picture, except it is coming into the higher time frame supply area. So just wait for that to turn around or break through there. We gotta wait 20 minutes for this to close, but kind of preface that there. Still waiting for some kind of opportunity to play out on the CAD here. Dollar franc, get a new down move here, and in 20 minutes, maybe I should have just started this in 20 minutes and let all these candles close. Just kind of waiting though. That's the name of the trading game. Just wait till you see opportunity. Here's my yen trade that I had set up, which I still have to log in the trading plan, or the trade logger here. I think that's it. Yep. So I'm just going to do that real quick. As you can see, I'm up 150 points. That's a good feeling. Oops. Or 150 bucks, that's a good feeling. It's about 3/4 of the way-ish to the profit target. And as you can see, like I was explaining yesterday, here this candle closed higher than the high of the previous candle, so that's my profit target. And that's a good, like, 2, 3, 4 to 1 move away. So status open. Yeah. Alright, let's go back to the 240, check out the Euro Yen. I think yesterday this just wasn't quite 2 to 1. 13, 26. Oh no, we did set this up, didn't we? Yep, so just kind of waiting there. One rule you can do is that if it even comes into the green or the opposing higher time frame area or the low on the curve at all, then you can just cancel the trade too. That's kind of a rule you can have, especially in a drawdown period like this. Maybe I should think about that, but um, I'm not, so not really too worried about it. Pound yen. Close was 44.20. The high here was 42.70. So 44.20 is higher than 42.70. So this gets a green box. And this obviously gets a red box. So let's move some of these around. I don't like to go more than 5 boxes. One, because that's what the OTA kind of strategy is, or the rules are. Plus, it does get a little bit confusing for me. But as you can see, this is this is low on the curve, so I'm not going to take a short there. Plus, it came into the higher time frame demand zone, or demand area. So, just going to wait and see if it turns around or breaks through there. Aussie yen. Close 51.30. Is higher than 51.10. So this just gets added to the green box. And then kind of the same thing here. I don't think there was anything too good here. Do have this. That was like a 4-point zone or something. This isn't like this cut through here. And I would really like to see anything below where this peaked through. And as you can see, everything's either been used up or it's just not quick enough. So moving on. CAD yen. Just more down movement on there. We are closing now, where we might close below it, so we could even look and see if there's any decent areas, which is, we got something right here. Mark it off in blue so I can take a look at it later. For this, since it's so hot at the top, my stop's going to go up there. If this closes in 20 minutes below the line, I'll definitely probably take this. And then it looks like we have this as well as a possible trade. So it goes. Put this above the previous candle, or the legging candle. Just like right there. And we will have to look. I mean, this one might not be good enough. So, like that. 7.9. I could probably trade that to 15 points. Okay. So these are both takeable areas. As long as this closes below the pink line. So I'll probably wrap back around that and just check it out. EuroCAD. So we just got an up move here. Let's see who's coming in anything actually. Yeah, it is. Look at that. But yeah, that's right. There's a wick here that took that out, so it's basically not good anymore in my world. So we'll just kind of see what happens there. A little for fun kind of trade. Right, this just keeps going down. This is like 100 points away, I believe. I checked my phone this morning to look at my trades. It is pretty far away. Aussie, Euro New Zealand, same picture there basically. Just gotta wait for it to turn around. Hopefully not start an uptrend on the way back up and just shoot straight up. That's how you get good arrivals into your zones too, because you know it's got a higher chance of being a successful trade if it comes straight up into the zone. If there are little basing areas, feel free to like move your profit targets according to your own rules as it comes into entry. So Euro pound, bam, look at that. What's this here? So we got this close. 509, the low is 511, so this gets a red box. And we can just take this one. And then there's a green box here. Take care of that first. Go over here, and now we got to find new daily demand here. So, I mean, this could be an area. This is kind of like the thing about these crappy, like, little zones. Like, this is a zone. It did break this out. You have to close below there. That would be the swing low. So we got to use that. Maybe it'll work. Maybe we can see a little downtrend. and then get in board to the short side, or it'll keep playing through these like little crappy zones. This would hopefully be the one that we can buy into. But for now, that's it. No trade as of now. The Euro franc, kind of a mess. But here we go. Here's our down move right here. We got one. See, no close below. So if I take my pink line, we did not close below this, and that's going to be that divergence on like the RSI and stuff, indicating that it's going to go higher. That's why for me to take a trade, I has to close below here, and then I'll look for a zone inside or above the pink line, essentially. And then something has to have at least 2-to-1, or mostly more like a 2.5-to-1 move away if you measure to the bottom or the low of the move. That way I can have a 2-to-1 profit target. Frank, so check out the Aussie CAD. This just keeps going up. A little further away from our, what's this here? This closes 90.77. The low is 90.77, so they're the same, so it doesn't get a green or a red box. Alright, here we go. The pound Aussie broke through daily demand. We do have another area right here. I would like to see a nice turnaround on this so I can buy into it and just take it up for, take it all the way up to here, let the little trend areas show, because it's a pretty decent amount of profit that you can take on that. I think there is a weekly area above here if you check it out and look at it, where that wick ends. Here's the pound franc. So as you can see, it poked through there. I already marked it because it's the last. So it's the last one I do. So it's the first one I do too. But I just kind of did it before I open up the video here. So let's see. Got this. So that high is 26.78, and this high is 26.74. So this broke that. So that's going to be our next area of daily demand. There we go. And that's it. So basically we just wait for this to take a turn to the upside. I'm actually going to include this in there too. So it did come into the daily supply area. This, you zoom in here. This is a leg out candle because it closed below previously, but it is still a 50%. The range, or the body is 50% or less of the range, so you can include that in the demand or in the area as well, since it is kind of a smaller zone. But yeah, so we're just going to wait on the pound franc and these pound pairs to start doing an uptrend, hopefully, or giving us clear. So if it breaks here, our next area will it'll be down to here. And this would even change. No, it wouldn't, because we don't have any basing candles there. But it might even change to this area. And then we can start taking it short down to here. But until then, we're just going to wait to see what it does and make decisions accordingly. We're at the end of the video here. I'm going to put my trades up right now. Nothing canceled, so everything is pending here. As I have trades open and close, so like a loss will be red, a win will be green, pending's just like that. And then for the profit and loss, I just put ones and zeros. And over here, you'll see my, I gotta put these values in here. Yeah, but so we got our dollar yen entry stop, target 1, target 2. Same thing on the other pairs here. So I'll just keep that up. If you guys want to like screenshot this or pause the video and maybe put them in your own trades if you like my trading, feel free to do that. But I am going to switch to here and go into last week's trading plan, or logger, just to get a number. It was the 15th. So 89.10. And like I said too, I have been in a drawdown period, which is never fun. It always sucks, but like when you're wrong, and when you're right, you know? So you just gotta ride the waves. That's all you can do here. But yeah, so like I said, here's the oops, that's last month's or last week's. This is this week. So these are my current trades. They're all pending except the dollar yen here. It's open. And yeah, pause the video. If you like the trades, take them. Feel free. If you need to rewatch the video to see how I got these trades, feel free to do that. If you got any questions, shoot them down in the comments, and I will be sure to answer them. Like the video, share the video, and have a great day.